YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Kaspa community, you guys are crushing it. I just started covering the project and it's already breaking out, man. Already breaking out from where I started to cover it from, just at that 1.6 cent mark, up 7% on the 24-hour. You know why it's breaking out though? It's because the SEC is super bearish and cracking down on so much crypto at this point in time. It's starting to label crypto asset securities, right? It's starting to label a lot of project securities, and you know, projects like Kaspa doesn't fall into that same situation, because a project like Kaspa is a commodity. It is similar to Bitcoin, where it is just, you know, a blockchain based project. Even though it was created by someone, there's no one actually running the project. It is fully decentralized. It is owned by the community. There's developers that build for the project, just like Bitcoin with the Lightning Network, etc., that are building out Bitcoin, the ordinals, BRC20, you name it, right? But there's no founder, you know. Satoshi Nakamoto, no one knows where he is, who you know, people know who created Kaspa. Just recently learned about him, but he has no say in the project. Whatever, the success of the project relies on the community and, you know, people that are building the project, just the same way Bitcoin is. It's exactly the same way. Miners securing the network, people are mining Kaspa. All the exchange listings that happen, that's from the community. Kaspa recently got listed on a brand new exchange. We're gonna get into all of that in this video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. From Kaspa Enthusiast, attached you will find TA member from Scully RW, the German Kaspa community. Here are some of his words. As you can see, patience pays off. A fine breakout from the bullish falling wedge and sustainable confirmation. Sounds bullish to me. So we could see a nice bounce from here for Kaspa. Also saw some charting that, you know, potentially that it could potentially be going on its way to 14 cents per Kaspa, guys. That would be a 10x from here. You know, absolutely bullish stuff for Kaspa. I apologize for the neighbor's dogs barking up a storm. Time to pay attention to Kas trap between the 200-day and the 21 MA. Price is an interesting spot. It has found support twice. You can also see price seems to largely respect the 21-day and signal a trend in both directions when broke. Very simple in my eyes. So a break above the 21-day MA, right, could have a bullish move happening for Kaspa, guys. I'm telling you, Kas looking like it wants to giga send from JJ Heavy. Also, let's take a look. Man, the dogs are going crazy. I apologize, guys, but I gotta get this video out. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Super annoying, but what can you do, man? You know. Let's see. Let's go to the official Kaspa Twitter. Go to the official Kaspa Twitter for you guys real quick. Okay, the information isn't in here, so let me check the actual telegrams that I was in, because Kaspa recently got listed on some exchanges, right? Oh yeah, thank you to everyone that joined the stream as well. You know, I'll be doing Kaspa streams consistently. Moon King, there's people like Moon King are top influencers in the space, man. 45k followers. A Kas GhostDAG might be the next step in cryptocurrency's evolution. GhostDAG technology is the future, a pure proof of work chain with much more speed and actually doable for day-to-day spending. Kaspa is the more energy efficient, making it a perfect digital silver. So this Kaspa, telling you guys, could potentially replace Ethereum, guys. It doesn't have Ethereum has a ton of centralization. I'm bullish on ETH. Okay, I'm bullish on ETH, but Ethereum has a ton of centralization. Kaspa doesn't fall into that that same aspect. Oh, right here. Kaspa recently listed on StealthX exchange. Kaspa currency is the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer ever built on a proof of work engine. I'm telling you guys, like, a lot of people rule out this project going to like that $1 to $3 range. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. The technology is there. Do your own research. Obviously, the technology is there. The technology is there, guys. You can't rule out projects like this at all. Let me see. Also from here, this tweet from Bubblegum Lightning: anticipate a future where Kaspa's block DAG reigns supreme, creating a global digital currency. Its reach is already worldwide, demonstrating it's not just a concept, but a reality ready to upend how we perceive and use money. Cast blue blocks as far as they can see. I remember in the stream I was showing you guys Cast compared to Bitcoin's blockchain. It was a funny tweet, right? But the person who made the tweet was saying Bitcoin is basically a crap coin compared to Kaspa. And when you see the image, I wish I had it still here, but if you check out the last stream, you could go back and rewatch, you'll see it, right? So from Crypto Crib, Robinhood will delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. And this is what's causing such a stir in the space right now. But with everything else getting bearish off of this news, Kaspa is getting bullish. Why is that? Because Kaspa isn't deemed as a security as these other blockchains. These other blockchains still have a lot of centralization, especially Solana, especially Polygon. You know, Cardano, not as much. We only know Charles Hoskinson. But Polygon and Solana, they have a lot of, you know, that's a lot of centralization that's happening. Kaspa is fully decentralized. Binance US also put out a statement towards the SEC and, you know, their regulatory framework and all of that stuff. Honestly, if Binance US eventually stops operating, hey, Hong Kong, China wants to be the crypto hub of the world. There's a ton more people in China, way more people in China than the US, I think. let me verify. You know, because China had to do the no child policy. Look, 1.4 billion people in China. I think the US is only 300 million people, right? The US dollar is very strong, but it's only because, yeah, 331 million people in the US. So, hey, if the US doesn't want crypto to be, you know, a part of, they don't want to be a part of the revolution of crypto, that's on them, man. I say leave them in the dust. You know, we're already in crypto. We already got our bags. We already know our ways to get, you know, get our on-ramp our fiat to get our crypto. You know, when the evolution happens, when everything starts exploding, whoever is not in the space, well, they just get left out. That's just how it is, right? They just get left behind. Because they're gonna say they're trying to protect against us. They're gonna say they're trying to protect us, when in actuality they're just trying to keep us from attaining financial freedom. They're just trying to keep us down. That's what governments always do, in my opinion. The system always does. It tries to control and keep everyone docile, the masses as docile as possible. From Coin Bureau, Gary's latest crypto attacks is definitely personal fortune.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, the public being left in line at the bankruptcy courts. We've seen this story before.
Can't take anything this man says seriously, in my personal opinion. We really just can't, guys. But again, you know, with Robinhood delisting these projects because the SEC considering them security, right? In my opinion, that's bullish for Kaspa, right? A lot of people in the Telegram were saying the same thing, that it's bullish for Kaspa. That's potentially why we're seeing that breakout. Let me go back to it, because I saw someone share it in the Kaspa price group, you know. had to join the Telegram and everything myself to be a part of the community. I see Kaspa Maxi supporting the channel. Shout out to you guys. If you can, like, comment, subscribe. But right here, Robinhood will delist ADA, Matic, Sol. And because these right here, we regularly review the crypto we offer on Robinhood. Because the SEC are considering these projects securities, they're getting delisted from Robinhood. But Kaspa doesn't fall under that because of the way it was created. Same thing with Litecoin as well. Honestly, we see this poll right here. Kaspa definitely blows Litecoin out of the water. In my personal opinion, Kaspa definitely blows Litecoin out of the water as far as technology. Someone says seriously in the chat. But yeah, you know, Litecoin is not a security either. You know, it's just like Bitcoin, a commodity, and Kaspa, same thing as well, right? So Kaspa community, once again, thank y'all so much for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate all the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Kaspa and myself will be in the description. You guys want me to cover the project often, so I will do so. I'll do my best, you know. I'll be giving you guys any new news about the project, any new updates, anything that happens. This is how a project becomes huge, when the community works together and just keeps building out the project. And also, become a Patreon member. Becoming a Patreon gives you access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord, so we could communicate, guys. That is my crypto elite tier. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.